Good morning, children. So today we will be starting with lesson number 2, revision part 1. Yesterday in the last video I have given you the lesson number 1, the revision part. Today I will be starting with the lesson number 2. So in this lesson you have already learnt about the lesson, you know about the story about the hen and his and her friends and all. So in this story, what is the moral? The moral is, if we will help others, one day they will also help us in our difficult situation. But if we don't help them, if we don't, then in our difficult time, no one will help us. So always we should be ready to help others, so that they will, when we are in need or we are in difficult situation, then somebody will come and help us. Because if we are helping, then God is also seeing us by this thing, that we are helping others in their difficult situation. So when we will be in difficult situation or in difficult time, God will also send any person for us to help us. So this was the moral of the story. That little hen, that that mother hen, was what she was doing. She found a sack of grains, and what she did, she asked her friends that you will help me to grow this, but nobody came out. Then after that, when the grains grow up, what happened? Again she asked for help, but still nobody came to help her. But when she made the bread from that flour, and she asked for that who will eat, then everybody told that yes, we will be eating. All the friends were saying that we will be eating, but she didn't give. She ate with her family, with her children. So this way we should help always each other. Now in this chapter we have learned few exercises, that is singular and plural. Dog, dogs. Book, books. Girl, girls. Boy, boys. Then teacher, teachers. Bird, birds. Flower, flowers. Singular means what? When we are talking about one, and plural means when we are talking about one or more than one person or anything. Now in this lesson, in the exercises, we have also learned about how to create the unjumbled sentences. So I have found few more for you other than from the book. Dog Rahul with his pet playing enjoys. Rahul enjoys playing with his pet dog. So here are these sentences. Why I am giving you these sentences? You know, no need of writing anything in the copy. Just from this video, you can write these sentences in your rough copy and you can copy down. This is the revision part, so that you can revise more and more examples of the things which are given in the book. From the book only I have taken out some extra examples, so that you can copy down and you can revise it. Then the second is dog catches stick. The dog catches the stick. Then lamp on turned the mom turned on the lamp. Is car blue? Our car is blue. So these are all the unjumbled words. You can practice from in your rough copy and you can do it more like this. First you can practice from the book, then from this video you can do it on your own. Now in this book we have also learned about the uncountable and the countable nouns. Countable means those things which we can count. Uncountable means which we cannot count. Bottle, cup, caps, birds, pages, books. Rice, we can't count rice. If I will give you 2 kgs of rice, can you count the rice? No. It will take a lot of time and it can be very tedious job. So you can't count rice. In this way, sugar is also uncountable. Oil, if I give you 1 liter of oil, you can count that, you can measure oil, but you can't count. Then milk. I will give you 2 packets of milk. You can say it is 2 packets of milk, but you can count the milk. No, it's a liquid, so you can't count. You can measure the liquid portion. Then salt also is uncountable. Now few examples for this. In the book also we have done from the book, this one. Now these are the different ones. A roll of tape, a plate of rice. In the book it is given a sack of rice. So sack of rice is also good. A plate of rice is also good. A glass of water, a piece of chalk, a pair of scissors, a balloon, a ball of cotton, a drop of rain, a tank of gas, a bottle of glue. So these are the extra ones which I have found for you so that you can practice and you can gain more knowledge from this video. And you can practice it in your rough copy. No need to write anything in the book, anything in the copy. Just you can write it in your rough copy and you can revise it. These are the more examples and the revision part of lesson number 2. Till then, we will be meeting in the next video. Till then, you revise all the things. Thank you, children.